the, bam, 5 beard rules that I never break. And I'm talking years now, never, ever break. There's some other rules that I know I should do, and they are really good for the beard, but once in a while at night it slips, or in the winter I start to get some bad habits. These ones, non-negotiable every single time. And I do want to make it clear, these are my rules. I'm not saying they're the rules or your rules or something you have to follow. You got to listen to your personal variables. You got to listen to your personal preference. But if I can give people a kind of baseline and then you can adjust from there, I feel good about myself. So let's jump right in. I'm not going to waste any time. The first rule that I never break, especially anymore, is after every single shower, I shower morning and night, I use beard oil and I comb my beard, no matter what. Years and years ago, I used to take rest days where I was like, I gotta let my skin breathe. I don't want to add stuff to it. Just not for me. I have naturally dry skin, and the longer your beard is, the more it's gonna leach away the sebum oil that you naturally produce from your skin and at the base of the hair, at the follicle. It's gonna leach it away and bring it down the hair, leaving the skin and the base of the hair a little bit dry, coarse, can be itchy. It's just not for me. I have naturally dry skin to begin with, no matter how much water I drink, no matter how much I moisturize and take care of my skin. It's just my genetics. So I always use beard oil and a comb. Quite literally cannot even fathom not using beard oil after a shower and just how bad it feels thinking back to those rest days. So that's number 1. Rule number 2 that I never break, my beard is always damp when I apply beard products. This, again, non-negotiable. If I'm in a pinch and I feel like I need some beard products, but I don't have access to water, I just don't apply the products. I always apply beard oil after the shower, as I just told you guys. However, if I need something midday, or let's say we're going out and I need to get a little touch up, I need to get a little fresh scent, I'm going to get my beard damp. Whether that's with a mist spray bottle, whether that's using the sink and just getting my hands through it, but I will not apply beard oil, beard balm, beard butter. I don't really use balm, but I won't apply any products unless my beard is damp. Now, on a similar rule, I try not to brush or comb my beard when it's dry. Now, is that one that I don't break? No, there will be a time before filming a video. I'm not going to go get my beard damp, and I might run a comb through my beard gently, carefully. Is that the best for it? No, but I do break that rule. However, never ever do I apply product to a dry beard. Rule number 3, are we supposed to do this or are we supposed to do this? I feel like that doesn't look as cool. This is kind of more cool. I don't know. Let me know. First option or second option. Now I'm kind of second guess. Let me know down below. But rule number 3, I only use quality tools on my beard. You will not catch me ever using what I call a funeral home comb, because you find them in funeral homes and it's a funeral for your beard. You're never going to find me with those like flimsy black plastic combs that are just like so jagged and so bad for your beard. I'm not going to have an old wooden comb that's all splintery. I'm sure as heck not using a metal comb. I am pretty much a carbon fiber comb guy. I'm also not against a good plastic, a cellulose acetate. I'm also not against bone combs. I'm also not against some really well done wooden combs. There's options out there, but if there's nothing available, I don't have any quality tools, I'm just gonna be using my hands, and I keep my nails really short, really nice so they don't snag. I try to take care of my hands as much as possible to not be super calloused and jagged. Only quality tools on the beard, literally nothing else. Unbreakable rule number 4, I wash my beard every single day. Now, I've covered this a lot lately because I think it's important to get this out there to break the stigma and the stereotype that's outdated that says only wash your beard once or twice a week. I just made a video on this. I think that's disgusting. I want to wash what is around my nose and my mouth because there's sweat. There's drool, there's spit, there's food, there's allergens, there's pollutants, and it's around my nose and my mouth. I'm going to wash every single day. I wash my armpits, I wash my head hair, I wash my face. Why not my beard? I would love for people to try that if they haven't, but you will not find a day, whether I'm camping, vacation, home, I will wash my beard every single day. Rule number 5 involves heat in my beard. Almost all days I use heat on all of my beard, especially the mustache, But I said almost. So that can't be an unbreakable rule. The rule that I do not break ever is I always apply oil on a damp beard before heat. Never use heat on a beard without oil first. Now, Dan, what about an argan oil protection spray? That's fine. Do I think it's a little gimmicky? I do. I think a well-balanced beard oil is better. You're going to save money. You don't need an extra product on your shelf, but that's better than nothing. Those of you applying heat to a dry beard and or a beard with no oil for protection, man, I always give the analogy. Throw a steak right on a hot pan. See what happens? It's the same concept. That oil is going to protect it. It's going to help not get burnt. Same thing for your hair. This one I am adamantly strong on. There's so many things in the beard world that are subjective. It's like, well, I like this. Well, I like this. My beard does this. My beard does that. This is not one of them. If somebody tells you that their beard does better with heat with no oil first, they're just wrong. And I don't talk this strongly. They're wrong. Damp beard, oil, wait 3 to 5 minutes, and then apply your heat. Never break that rule because it could seriously cost you your beard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. That's number 5, you guys. We've got them covered to wrap it up for a conclusion here. Down below, what is your reflection on my rules that I don't break? Do you do any of them differently? Are you with me on them? And even more importantly, what are some beard rules that you never break? I'm talking never. You don't take a night off, right? Should I use beard butter every night? Yes, I genuinely believe that. But I miss some nights, okay? I'm going to be honest again. I'm going to be vulnerable. I shouldn't, but I do break that rule. What are some rules that you're like, nope, period, end of story. I do not miss this. I do not break this rule. I want to hear from you guys because I know there's some that I'm going to be reading and right back being like, oh yeah, that's a good one. I didn't think of it. I didn't put that one. Those were my 5. Let's hear yours. Thank you guys for watching today. I didn't even introduce myself on purpose. My name's Dan C. Bearded. If you like it, hey, subscribe. If you don't, cool, that's all right. And if you don't want to subscribe, that's okay too. Thanks for checking out the video all the way to the end. Have a great day, you guys. Please stay bearded and stay positive.